Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect to Microsoft Azure Virtual Machines using SSH, beginner guide step by step clearly. To connect to Microsoft Azure Virtual Machines using SSH, you first need to have an Azure account. Log into the Azure portal at portal.azure.com. In the Azure dashboard, locate the Virtual Machines option on the left side menu. Click on Virtual Machines to view the list of your available virtual machines. Select the virtual machine you wish to connect to. On the Virtual Machines overview page, note the public IP address. Make sure that the virtual machine is running. Open your terminal or command prompt application on your local machine. If you're using a Linux or Mac OS system, you can directly use the SSH command. Type the following command: SSH username at public_IP_address, replacing username with your VM's username and public_IP_ address with the noted IP address. If prompted to confirm the authenticity of the host, type yes and press enter. Enter your password when prompted and press enter. If you're using Windows, you may need an SSH client like PuTTY. Download and install PuTTY if you haven't already. Open PuTTY and enter the public IP address of your virtual machine in the hostname field. Under Connection on the left sidebar, expand SSH and click on Auth. Click on Browse to locate your private key file in .ppk format if you're using key-based authentication. Go back to the Session category and click Open to initiate the SSH connection. If this is the first time you are connecting, you may receive a security alert. Click Yes to proceed. You will be prompted to enter your username and password if you're using password authentication. Congratulations, you are now connected to your Azure Virtual Machine via SSH. You can start managing your VM through the command line. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.